Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize RGB colors for Logitech G402. And to do this you will need to download Logitech G HUB on your PC. You can find it on their official website. Now make sure that the onboard memory is off, otherwise you won't be able to change those settings. So when it's off, click on your mouse, then go for the light sync. And here you can change the different effects. There's entirety of 2 of them. Other one is off, and this turns off the RGB for this device. So we have fixed, and this will display as only one color. You can customize the color right here. You can also click on this plus button to add an entirely new custom color. There's also option to add the breathing colors, and here you can adjust the rate, how often they will breathe, and you can adjust the colors as well, however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.